How to fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android. First and foremost, go ahead and turn off your Bluetooth connection and retry it by connecting to your device. Then if this does not work, go ahead and open your phone settings. Now from here, you have to go ahead and search for developer option. So go ahead and do that. Now from all of this list, you have to go ahead and find the section of Bluetooth because we are going to do a couple of steps there. Now right here you will see there is a Bluetooth audio codec. Go ahead and tap on it and make sure it is on default. If it's in anything else, go ahead and set it to default and press OK. Then tap on Bluetooth AVRCP version and set it to AVRCP 1.6. Now again, go ahead and try to connect with your device and this should work. If still this does not work, you have to head back from here and go to the general settings. From here, tap on Apps. Then tap on All Apps. Tap on the three dot to allow you to show all of the system app and search for Bluetooth. From here, you have to tap on Storage and Cache and Clear Cache. Then you can go ahead and restart your device as well, and your problem will be solved. So make sure to give it a try and thank you so much for watching.